If you are looking for snow boots, then you should check this one out. This is Jen in reviews, and today I would love to review this free sample by DADAWEN. So they are snow winter boots, and I love them. I like the color, I like the faux fur that is here, and even though they're not completely water boots, they do a great job keeping your feet warm and dry. They also have a great grip for the snow. So winter is here, holidays are here, and you can enjoy these beauties by checking them out, going in the snow, matching it with your favorite outfits. They go mid calf as you can see here, and this is very strong. I don't know if you can see it, but where I'm this is very strong here. Mine is size 7, and they fit perfectly. I have thick socks, and they are so comfortable. I feel that I can walk with these boots long distances, basically anywhere, even if the surfaces are wet or they have snow. I hope you check them out. They are great. They're super comfortable. I know I'm home, but they're so comfortable that I want to keep them on all the time because they also look so stylish, and I love them for the holidays. Thank you for watching.